Welcome back to the Lingo Flamingo. Hey, pronunciation enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Pronunciation Powerhouse. In part one, we unlocked the secrets of those awesome phonemes and conquered minimal pairs. But there's more to sounding like a pro than just the basic building blocks. Today, we're diving into the music of speech stress and intonation. Think about how you'd say, you ate the apple versus you ate the apple. See the difference? It's all about stress and intonation, the invisible conductors of spoken English. They tell listeners where to focus their attention and whether a sentence is a question, a statement, or even a sarcastic remark. Let's break it down. Stress is all about emphasizing certain syllables in a word. Take the word important. We stress the second syllable, por, tant, because that's where the meaning lies. Now, intonation is like the melody of your voice. It's the rise and fall of your pitch as you speak. Changing your intonation can completely change the meaning of a sentence. For example, listen to the difference between these two sentences. You ate the apple? Question, rising intonation at the end. You ate the apple? Emphasis on apple, higher pitch on apple. See how the intonation tells us whether it's a question or a statement highlighting the apple? Pretty cool, right? All right, here's how you can become a stress and intonation master.
Sentence 1, I saw a movie yesterday. Sentence 2, I saw a movie yesterday.
Here's the answer.
Sentence 1, let's go to the park. Sentence 2, let's go to the park.
Here's the answer.
Sentence 1, he lives in a big house. Sentence 2, he lives in a big house.
Here's the answer. Next, let's try shadowing. Listen closely as I say a short sentence with natural stress and intonation. Then, try to repeat it exactly, mimicking the way I emphasize words and change my pitch. Would you like anything to drink? I'm going to the store. Do you need anything? Wow, that pizza looks delicious. Don't be shy. The more you shadow native speakers, the better you'll become at picking up those subtle musical cues. Feeling confident? Grab a partner or practice on your own. Choose a short dialogue like ordering food at a restaurant and act it out, focusing on using natural stress and intonation to convey your message clearly. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you play around with stress and intonation, the more it will become second nature. And that's how you'll sound like a true pronunciation powerhouse. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more pronunciation powerhouses coming your way. Like and comment below, and let me know what other pronunciation challenges you'd like to tackle next. Thanks for joining me, and happy pronouncing!